Get the bike away! Get the bike away! Get the bike, pick the bike up!
Pick it up.
No, put it on its wheels! Go, push it! Clutch in, clutch in!
Move that one. Camelbaks, anyone?
Yep. Just kick it to the side, just squash it over. That's all you're doing the brigade. Just get that bike out of the way. Header pipe. We're not going to stop that with camelbaks. Get these little ones out. Let's work on the little ones. Keep it going in one direction. Get this Husaberg out the way. Grab your backpack. Ride it out the way. Yeah. Quick, right this second. You got a few seconds. The header pipe cooked the grass on the Husaberg.
Look, he's got the trail.
I can't kick anymore, my boots are about to melt.